This 2021 Jayco Seismic 3512 triple slide with 12 ft 6 inches cargo area is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 7, stove-top burner, water heater, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, external shower, oven, TV, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Seismic 3512 triple slide with 12 ft 6 inches cargo area is 13,970 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.